Hi everyone, this is Marius from Pickup Media. Just to make a quick video from Sydney, Australia. We've got a pink sapphire inside of the new GemLightbox Macro. It has a 10x zoom, so we're getting really good details. And of course, we're getting that nice white background and high color accuracy. Fantastic, it looks very good, really great color. Let's do a 45-degree video. So this one, the stone is going to move back and forth, doesn't show off the back of the stone, so it's just a very quick video. As it's moving, of course, you can see the different colors inside the stone. If you do want a bit more off the sides, you can also do a 90-degree. Fantastic, looks great. So let's save the video, and of course we can also do a photograph of the stone. And when we do the photos, you're getting that really nice detail because of the zoom. Just to quickly compare the stone with what we just captured, we're getting really good color, and we're still getting that white background. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to message us.